So my son Bennett was born with 4 heart defects and a very, very complicated, complex situation. At 5 days old, Bennett underwent his first open heart surgery and survived it. At a year old, he had his second open heart surgery and survived it. And last July, he had his 3rd heart surgery and survived it. So my 2-year-old son is a living, breathing miracle. And when people say miracles don't happen or they don't believe in miracles, I point to my son because I have seen a living, breathing miracle every single day of my life.